How to add a product to wish list on Temu. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can add a product to your wish list. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Temu app and get logged into your Temu account. Now let's go ahead and add any product to our wish list. To do that, tap onto a product, scroll below, and under product detail, you will see a heart icon that says save. Tap onto it and this product has been saved onto your wish list. In order to view your wish list, tap on new section, then you will see wish list tab. Simply tap onto it and just like so, this is how you will be able to save and view your product in wish list. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this.